Today, the Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle PSLV has emerged as a workhorse launch vehicle of India by successfully launching satellites into a variety of orbits. In a span of 25 years, it has launched 52 Indian and 239 international customer satellites from 28 countries. Through its various accomplishments, PSLV has established itself in the international commercial launch market as one of the cost-effective launch vehicles for primary as well as co-passenger satellites. In its forthcoming mission, PSLV-C43, the vehicle is scheduled to launch 31 satellites into orbit in its core-alone configuration. These include the primary satellite HysIS of India, as well as 30 international co-passenger satellites. Satellites from Australia, Colombia, Malaysia and Spain are being flown for the first time in PSLV. The launch of PSLV-C43 will take place from the first launch pad of Satish Dhawan Space Centre, SDSC SHAR Sriharikota. PSLV is a 4-stage vehicle with alternating solid and liquid stages. The first stage comprises the massive rocket motor carrying 139 tons of solid propellant. PSLV's second stage, carrying 42 tons of earth-storable liquid propellants, is equipped with Vikas rocket engine. The third stage of PSLV is a solid rocket motor carrying 7.65 tons of solid propellant, while the fourth stage is equipped with a cluster of 2 liquid engines with a propellant mass of 2.5 tons. In the current PSLV-C43 mission, the rocket will be flown without the 6 solid strap-on motors. The satellites carried on board will be placed in 2 different orbits. Weighing about 380 kilograms, hyperspectral imaging satellite HysIS is the latest Earth observation satellite developed by ISRO. It will be launched into a 630-kilometer polar sun synchronous orbit. The primary goal of HysIS is to study the Earth's surface in visible, near-infrared and shortwave infrared regions of the electromagnetic spectrum. The spectral range covered by HysIS lies between 400 nanometer to 2500 nanometer with a spectral resolution of 10 nanometer. The satellite data will be useful for a wide range of applications in the fields of agriculture, forestry, soil survey, geology, coastal zone studies, inland water studies, environmental monitoring, pollution detection from industries and many others. The co-passengers of HysIS include 1 micro and 29 nano satellites from 8 different countries. Following the separation of HysIS, the co-passenger satellites will be placed in a 504-kilometer orbit after the 4th stage restarts. 22 of the 29 nano satellites and 1 microsatellite are from the USA. Of these, 16 are Flock 3R Earth observation satellites and 4 are Lemur satellites equipped with vessel automatic identification system. Besides, HSAT-1 is a technology demonstrator and CISRO-8 is a community initiative for continuous Earth observation. Global 1 of USA is a microsatellite intended for Earth imaging. 7 other nanosatellites carried by PSLV-C43 include Centauri of Australia, Kepler of Canada, FACSAT of Colombia, Reactor Hello World of Finland, InnoSat-2 of Malaysia, 3CAT-1 of Spain, and HYBER of Netherlands. All the international customer satellites have been commercially contracted through Antrix Corporation Limited, the commercial arm of ISRO. PSLV-C43 is now ready to begin its journey into space on yet another important mission.